This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
That's weird. I didn't order anything.
Sue, it was me! That's mine!
What's inside?
Christmas outfits for... What?
Wow!
These were supposed to be Christmas outfits for Barbies! What do you mean, you mixed orders? So what if it's a pre-holiday period and you're busy? Ah!
Lots of balloons.
What will I tell the girls? I let them down!
Actually, we can fix everything. Come on. La 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 la.
Sue, that dress came out so stylish. It's awesome!
You think we're done here? We're just getting started. Let's add more Christmas details to that dress. We need to make a white strip like this.
Interesting. You know, that reminds me of something. I just can't figure out what it is. It's on the tip of my tongue.
Look closely, you still have some time to guess. Now let's make this tiny but very important detail. There. And with a slight movement of hand, it turns out to be a stylish black belt.
I know! This dress looks absolutely like those gorgeous dresses from Mean Girls.
You're absolutely right, Sammy. And here is a perfect silver buckle.
But there is a catch. I promised our Barbies they'd get unique dresses.
We can easily fix this. Let's spice things up with a bright boa. It was here. I remember it was. Come on, where is it? That's strange.
Did you lose something again, Sue?
Thanks for finding it, Sammy. But I think it suits our Barbie better than you. What do you think, guys? Give us a thumbs up if you agree.
There's no outfit without posh shoes.
That's exactly what we need. Let's put them on. Oh.
The style icon's advice is worth its weight in gold.
And thank you very much, Mr. Extraordinary Taste.
The dress turned out wonderful. You can tell it's made by a very gifted fashion designer.
Oh, Sammy, you're making me blush. Guys, I bet you want to check out our first outfit properly before we move on to the next one.
Sue, you started without me. It's unacceptable.
Something wrong, Sammy? Don't you trust me in matters of style?
I do. How could you say that? But everything should be done under my strict supervision, you know.
Okay, go ahead. Evaluate my work.
Alrighty.
Well...
I officially declare that this is an absolutely wonderful, amazing, super cool dress.
Is it just me, or is there a but?
But it doesn't look like a Christmas dress. It's more like a pretty outfit.
Don't worry, Sammy. Everything is thought through. Check this out.
That idea is 100% amazing.
I know, right? And I suggest completing this look with these great shoes.
I agree. Awesome.
For the third look, we need red and green balloons and scissors. Let's start with the red one. First step, cut off the tip. Then we'll fold it in half and make a little cut here. This way, we get a wonderful top.
Sue, what's that? You were supposed to make something fabulous, not just the top.
Deal. Now let's fold half of this white balloon and make one more cut. Remember to be super careful, all right? Just like this. And one more time. Here we go. Perfect.
It's not done yet, but no one can deny that it'll look very elegant.
Nice collar. Check. By the way, as you can see, Sammy, I made the outfit to fit her body. So...
I I can take a hint, Sue.
For a special occasion, you don't only have to wear a dress.
Try whatever you want. Trousers or even shorts.
And how do you like these boots, Sammy?
It's a score.
So guys, what do you think?
If you approve of our experiment, give us a thumbs up.
We'll start the new dress just like we did many times before.
Guys, we've already made some dresses out of balloons. And you know where to find those videos.
On our channel, of course. Now let's add some style. It's gonna be a fur trim. I think it's a great decision for a Christmas party dress.
Sue, I've been thinking, maybe I also need to dress up somehow.
That hat is interesting. Do you have something more, classic? I think something black tie will do.
I have a black tie. Check it out.
Black tie is not an item of clothing. It's a type of dress code. White tie stands for the most formal type, while black tie is less formal. The main rule is not to wear very bright shades.
Well, is it good now?
You always look perfect, Sammy, but now even more. And our doll needs some shoes, right?
Susie, that dress is my favorite.
What do you say, guys? This is going to be our last outfit for today, guys. It will be very interesting and not so simple. Let's take a green balloon. Watch me do it, guys. Of course, it's not going to be that difficult if you follow me and do everything neatly and carefully. Like this.
Sue! What will
Sammy,
it be? Sue!
don't distract me. Where did I stop? Oh, right. Now we need to fold our balloon like this. Guys, don't worry. If you make a mistake, you can just take another balloon and start over again. But it's better when things work out on the first try. And this is what you should get.
Looks like a funny monster face, as if it's screaming like, ah!
Sam, please stop making such a noise. I need to concentrate. Here we go.
Sue, what about choosing the right shoes?
But I'm not finished yet. Guys, sometimes he gets carried away.
If you ask me, I say this will go great with that dress.
But Sammy, this is gonna be a Christmas party, so it takes place in the winter.
But it's so bright outside. I've read everything about snow and it reflects light, you know.
Okay, but I don't think glasses fit the style. Do you have another idea for accessories?
I don't know. Can we make a ribbon from this balloon?
Great, thanks, Sammy. And that's all we're gonna need. But don't forget to measure the length first. Perfect.
You're doing it wrong. You wear a ribbon on your head, not on your hands.
You gave me an idea with this balloon. It's perfect for making longer sleeves.
It's hard to admit, but your idea is cooler than mine.
Guys, check this out. We cut little holes for her thumbs here.
I'm looking at the dress and I literally can hear it calling for some decorations. And I can make some! Bibbidi bobbidi subscribity! What do you think, Sue?
Love it, as well as these shoes.
Now you're talking!
And we're almost done. Is everybody ready? It's party time.
So stylish!
Thanks to you, Sammy.
To us, Sue! Guys, if you liked our dresses, give us a thumbs up!
Hit the bell button so you don't miss our next videos.
And don't forget to subscribe as well!
Bye-bye!
Ladies, do you want to dance? It's kinda boring standing still!
watch the party from a safe distance with everyone else.
Okay, Rose. Where are the visitors?
We're this pebble here, and the other one is the village all the way over here. There are visitors here, here, and here. If we don't find a way home soon, we'll be stuck here all day, in the middle of the party. Sounds perfect! Except we'd have to keep quiet and hide for the whole thing. Oh, not so perfect.
Big news, Lilybuds! Visitors are pouring in for the party. More than I've ever seen. You'll all have to stay hidden inside the buttercup today.
All of us? But the kitchen is a place of peace and quiet and genius and...
Sorry, Thorn. It's for your own good. Everyone into the kitchen.
Why don't we just camp out again for the night?
Our friends would worry about us. Well, we can't hide here all day. We need a quick way back. Something like... Captain Steve! Of course! The hummingbird bus will take us home. Captain Steve! Come back!
Wait for us!
Welcome to Chef Thorne's kitchen. Thistle, squeeze in there. And Cap, you sit there. Isn't this cozy?
Oh, it's nice, Bucky. But, I kind of wish we could go outside.
What? I love everyone being here. Just pretend it's a cold and horrible day. Gray skies and an icy wind. Ooh.
Thorn, do you have any jam? What are you all doing cramped inside the kitchen on such a lovely day?
Come on in, Daffodil.
Captain Steve, can we please ride the hummingbird bus back to the village?
Good morning, loyal passengers. The Hummingbird bus will be taking off as scheduled tomorrow.
Tomorrow? But we have an important event to watch from home. Today!
All flights have been canceled due to extra visitors in the park.
Do you think you could take a message back to the village for us?
Probably. So I'd have to remember this message?
Yes, it's easy. Could you please tell the other Lilybuds that we're stuck out here because of the party?
But don't worry, we're having a great time.
Just don't have too much fun without us.
Stuck, party, don't have fun. Got it. Your friends are enjoying the party, and they don't want you to have too much fun. Message ends.
That's not very fair. We're all stuck in here, and they're out enjoying the party in the park.
I bet our friends are feeling pretty sorry for us, especially since they're getting to watch the party and we're not. Party is only for one day, Lilac. But we get to enjoy a beautiful park all year round. You're right, Rose. And at least Bobby and Bibi are enjoying our new flowers. I've just had an idea. We've got to get their attention.
No problem. Bobby, Bibi.
Shh! Visitor will hear you. We need to get the bunny's attention another way. This calls for my famous seagull impression. Allow me.
Did you all hear that? Sounds like a turtle about to lay an egg.
It worked, didn't it?
Nice to see you, but we gotta get back to the party. The visitors all want to take our pictures.
On account of we're so cute, because we're bunnies.
Fluffy
Bunnies.
Bobby, they know what cute is. So you understand, we must go.
Guys, wait! Could you take us to some of your tunnels? We need to get back to the village without being seen.
We could, but it would mean missing out on being called cute, which a bunny could never hear too often. I mean, you think you get tired of it, but no. There it is again. Cute! Thank you. Cute! Thanks. Oh,
A vegetable or two would sweeten the deal.
Oh, I just used the last of my magic growing that flower.
And I'm tapped out from last night.
We can promise you food when we get to the village. Thorn's kitchen is always full of food.
There's no food in this entire kitchen. I've been picking it fresh from the garden every day, and Zinnia won't let us go outside. Don't worry, Chef Thorne. We'll come up with something, like you always tell me. All you need is a little imagination.
At least we have water. That's the main thing.
There you go. With a little imagination, it could be delicious cream of water soup.
Aha! I forgot my pot of dirt.
That's the spirit, Chef Thorne. Pot of dirt stew.
I meant we could grow some food in this pot so we have something to eat.
Ah, right. See? That's why you're in charge, and I just work here.
Whoa! Is it just me, or is this tunnel getting darker?
It's just you, baby. Can you see okay with your perfect rabbit eyes?
Of course! What a question!
You see?
Lilybuds, join hands so we stay together.
All right. We have to decide what to grow, and we only have one chance.
Oh, only one chance? What if we plant the wrong thing? How about spinach? Ooh, or a lovely big pumpkin.
No pumpkin. We can only plant something very small. Even a head of lettuce would be too...
Big thistle.
Why do we ever trust those rabbits? Maybe we should go back.
No way! This tunnel is muddy and amazing!
It's also dark. I think Lilac's right. We should turn back and just hide somewhere. What's that?
What are you all doing in my private tunnel?
Oh, hello, Ellery. It's you.
Rose. Other Lilybuds whose names I don't bother to know?
You know perfectly well my name is Lilac. And this isn't your tunnel, it's the Bunnies.
They're letting us use it because we promised to feed them after.
Well then, I shall light your way and you shall feed me too.
Huh? Did you take those lights from the party, Ellery?
Certainly not. I borrowed them. When I'm finished, I'll take them back to my house.
What is he doing here?
I've decided to contribute some party lights to your little expedition. Now, just how far away are we from the Buttercup?
Over here!
Yay! I'll go and check if it's safe. Wait here. What happened? Is everyone okay?
Hey, Rose. We're fine. Just stuck behind the lettuce.
A giant lettuce which I grew by accident.
Actually, it's perfect thistle. Bobby! Beebe! Here's the food we promised you.
Finally!
A reward.
Our friends are blocked in by a giant lettuce situation. Huh? It'll be fine. Bobby and Beebe are going to eat it down in no time.
What? What's this? You ate all the lettuce?
You can have the rest.
We just want a nap.
A chipmunk of my position is supposed to eat mere leftovers? Why not? Leftovers need love too.
We thought you were outside, enjoying the party.
Bunny, we thought the same thing about you. Guess all that really matters is we're safe and together again. Listen! Music! And we have the perfect setup for our own party. Lights, music, and no risk of being seen.
Come on down, everyone!
Yeah!